If you have clicked on this video, I'm assuming that you are really serious about BITSAT 2026. JEE Main just got over and it probably did not go the way you actually wanted. I spoke to a lot of students in the last few days and most of them are not satisfied with their JEE Main performance. So if you're someone like that and you've come here because you want to make a comeback, you want to join a tier 1 college like BITS Pilani and you want to work hard for it. So in this video, I'm going to share the perfect roadmap जिसको यूज करके you can get into BITS Pilani this year. Before moving on with this video, I want you to promise me as well as yourself that ये वीडियो तुम पूरा देखोगे, अपने पूरे ओपन माइंड के साथ देखोगे एंड इस वीडियो के बाद जो भी एक्टिविटी बोली जाएगी, जो भी स्टेप्स बोले जाएंगे, उनको तुरंत एग्जीक्यूट करोगे. द फास्टर यू एग्जीक्यूट, द हायर द चांसेस ऑफ यू क्रैकिंग BITSAT दिस ईयर. मैं इस स्ट्रेटेजी को स्टेप बाय स्टेप ब्रेक डाउन करने जा रहा हूँ एंड आई वांट यू टू एग्जीक्यूट इट इन द सेम ऑर्डर. The first step is about self-awareness. Currently, you have done JEE level की decent preparation. You have not completed the syllabus and you are still stuck at let's say 15, 20 or 30% syllabus coverage. सबसे पहली चीज़ you have to understand is कि where do you stand. हमने एक completely free BITSAT tracker बनाया है जिसमें we have listed all the chapters of BITSAT along with their expected weightage and priority. This weightage and priority is derived from the feedback of our ex-students who wrote BITSAT in the previous years. So this is my screen right now and on my screen you can see the exam prep trackers. यहाँ पे when you click you can go to the BITSAT prep tracker and you can check the tracker. ठीक है, यहाँ पे if when you go to the chemistry section you will see that this is the chapter which is having priority 1. These are the chapters that are having priority 2 and these are the chapters that are having priority 3 and 4. Same thing has been given for mathematics as well as physics. ठीक है, so आपको क्या करना है? The step 1 and the activity that I want you to do is that you go to this tracker, you see the weightage and priority of chapters. Use this tracker and for every chapter mark it as high, medium or low confidence. ठीक है, let's talk about the chapter of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds is at priority 1 and आपको मार्क करना है कि यार कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स का अगर BITSAT लेवल का क्वेश्चन मेरे सामने आ जाए, ठीक है, JEE मेन का मान लो इजी मीडियम लेवल क्वेश्चन आ जाए, तो हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट एम आई दैट आई विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट इन द एग्जाम हॉल. इफ यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट देन दैट चैप्टर विल बी मार्क्ड एज हाई कॉन्फिडेंस. इफ यू आर नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, बस थियरी पढ़ी है, उतनी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी है, देन इट विल बी मीडियम. एंड अगर आपने उस चैप्टर को स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया है, फिर बहुत कम आता है, देन इट विल बी लो कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस का पैरामीटर इज बीइंग यूज्ड सो दैट यू हैव दैट सेल्फ बिलीफ कि यार मतलब इस चैप्टर से अगर सवाल आ जाता है तो मेरे पास हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि मैं इसको करेक्ट अटेम्प्ट करूंगा. राइट आफ्टर यू आर डन विद दिस वीडियो, आई वांट यू टू स्पेंड 1 hour टू जस्ट डू सेल्फ एनालिसिस. गो टू द BITSAT ट्रैकर, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. एवरी सिंगल चैप्टर को कैटेगराइज करो इन हाई, मीडियम एंड लो कॉन्फिडेंस एंड योर गोल इन द नेक्स्ट 45 days इज रियली सिंपल. It is just to bring majority of the chapters possible in the medium and high confidence. Now, self-awareness वाला phase complete हो जाने के बाद it's the time to execute. You know where you stand, you know कि तुम्हारा क्या डेटा है, क्या honest truth है तुम्हारा. अभी बस execution का part बचा है so that you can use your honest truth, honest self-analysis and change your reality in the next 45 days. सबसे पहली चीज़, BITSAT is not a very deep exam. They will not ask you questions as tough and as deep as JEE Main and JEE Advanced. It is wide. आपको ज़्यादा syllabus coverage करने की ज़रूरत है. You need to have at least medium confidence in most of the syllabus instead of having high confidence in limited part of the syllabus. अगर 25%, 30% syllabus में high confidence है, उससे better है कि आपका 70 to 80% syllabus में high and medium confidence हो. इसलिए इस अप्रोच के साथ याद रखना कि योर गोल फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स इज टू ब्रिंग मोर एंड मोर चैप्टर्स फ्रॉम द लो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल टू द हाई एंड मीडियम कॉन्फिडेंस. सो फंडा इज रियली सिंपल. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द चैप्टर शुड बी इन हाई एंड मीडियम कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल्स. लो कॉन्फिडेंस में नियर टू 0 चैप्टर शुड बी देयर. अब भैया कैन यू ऑल्सो प्लीज टेल अस कि हाउ कैन वी गो अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग अ चैप्टर? Yes, let's discuss this in the next part. Every chapter has 3 different parts to completion. सबसे पहली चीज़ होती है theory और concept coverage. Second is practice and third is going to be revision. The third point, revision, a lot of people don't talk about it, but I will discuss about it अच्छे से later in this video. Theory complete करने के लिए at this point of time you don't have the bandwidth to do long lectures. 3 hours, 4 hours के lectures देखना बंद करो. Watch one shot lectures of maximum 1.5 to 2 hours. 2 hours के beyond कोई lecture नहीं जाना चाहिए. If you are taking more than 2 hours to complete a chapter, then you will not be able to complete majority of the syllabus. Now, YouTube पे there are a lot of one shots available, but they are mostly made for JEE. अगर आप फोडो क्लब के BitSat क्रैश कोर्स में हो, then you already have the best lectures designed specifically for BitSat. In this one shot, there will be crisp theory coverage, some level of problem solving, as well as application of formulae and logics. So you will get the best idea of a chapter in the shortest amount of time. So if you're in the crash course, not to worry, just crash course को complete करो, that's more than enough. But अगर आप नहीं हो crash course में, then you have to अंडरस्टैंड यू कांट वेस्ट मच टाइम एंड आपको सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन के साथ अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, एज आई मेंशन्ड, इज प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें भैया? व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ BitSat टू बी डन? इफ यू हैव द फोडो BitSat क्वेश्चन बैंक विच इज ऑलमोस्ट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक, वो आप कर सकते हो. दैट इज एट पार विद BitSat लेवल. इफ यू आर इन द क्रैश कोर्स, यू कैन डू द DPP, यू कैन डू द चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट. अगर आप चैप्टर स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करो तो DPP करो, अगर पहले पढ़ चुके हो तो चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट करो. If you don't have Fodo Club resources, then you can do the JEE main easy and medium level PYQs, or you can also do the level 1 and level 2 of your coaching module. Just do it up to the JEE main level. If a chapter is too long, then it is possible that you have to split the practice session in 2 parts. But most of the cases में BitSat level पे just one session of 2 to 3 hours is more than enough to complete a chapter का practice. Theory and practice के बाद आपके पास short notes होंगे. Short notes अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो you can refer the ones that we have made. Add the questions which you are not able to do during the practice session in these short notes so that you can revise them in the third part. जब आप इसको रिवाइज करोगे, you are ensuring that कि आप सारी चीज़ें crisp and clear कर रहे हो, so that when you actually go to the exam hall, there is no scope of error in the chapter you have studied. अब रिविजन की बात कर ही ली तो स्टेप 3 के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, which is absolutely going to be revision. अगर आपने स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 2 कर लिया बट आप स्टेप 3 नहीं कर पाए, then what is the point of it all? You studied something with a lot of hard work, you gave 5 to 6 hours to complete a chapter अच्छे से at high confidence, but you forgot it in 2-3 days, then there is no point of doing it, right? इससे अच्छा आप किसी चैप्टर को पढ़ते ही नहीं. तो that's why revision is very very important. When you study a chapter, let's say you studied coordination compounds today, revise it before going to sleep tonight. Revise it once again tomorrow. You will realize that after doing 2 levels of revision, you don't have to revise that chapter and you are able to retain the information for the next 2-3 days. Within the next 2-3 days, you have to ensure that you are doing the third level of revision. Make a revision calendar and ensure that every single day, 1 hour you are giving to revision. अभी के लिए आपको लगेगा कि it's a waste of time, but as BitSat comes closer, as you become more and more nervous, you will realize that the things that you revise are the only things you retain in your mind, and you will thank me in the comment section. You must have definitely experienced this in JEE Main where you have studied so many things, but when you are in the exam hall, you are not able to recollect them. You are not sure कि यार मतलब वो प्लस था या माइनस था, यार वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में था फिर नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में था. You will not be able to understand that, and that is only because of lack of revision. Now मोटा मोटा अप्रैल में you have 2 to 3 weeks left. Basically around 18 to 20 days are left. Every single day you have to try to complete a minimum of 2 chapters. अगर कोई chapters मान लो छोटे हैं तो एक दिन में आप 4 chapters भी complete करने का टारगेट कर सकते हो. This might seem unrealistic right now, but I want you to understand that अभी आपके पास कोई भी और काम नहीं है. All you have to do is wake up, study for at least 10 to 12 hours and then go back to sleep. If you do not dedicate this much time to academics right now, then you cannot make it to BITS Pilani this year. Every single day अगर आप 2 to 3 chapters, कभी-कभी 4 chapters करते हो, तो in the next 20 days you can easily complete 45 to 50 chapters. Completing these many chapters plus the some amount of chapters which you have already done will end up with at least 60% of high confidence and medium confidence chapters by the start of May. अब मे स्टार्ट हो जाने के बाद स्ट्रैटेजी थोड़ी सी चेंज हो जाएगी. एवरी सिंगल डे अपार्ट फ्रॉम PCM you also have to dedicate some time to English and logical reasoning. If you are in Fodo Club's BitSat crash course, then just complete the English LR course पूरा, lectures, worksheets, सब कुछ 100% complete करो. Every single day 30 minutes या फिर 45 minutes उसको दो and try to complete it in time. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो you are not only preparing for the 300 marks of PCM, but you are also well prepared for the 90 marks of English and logical reasoning. As an average student, a weapon for you is going to be English and logical reasoning, so इसको definitely ignore मत करना. 1 hour भी दे सकते हो every single day if you are not very fluent in English. अब ऐसा करते करते in 3 weeks time you have to ensure that at least 60 to 65% of the syllabus you have completed at high and medium confidence. The next step is going to be writing mock tests. Mock tests is the most important thing in BitSat preparation. अगर आपने एक चैप्टर भी पढ़ लिया, अगर आपने रिवीजन भी कर लिया, बट आपको मॉक टेस्ट ही देना नहीं आता, तो क्या पॉइंट है? If you do not have a proper paper attempting strategy, if you don't know how to manage your time, there is no point in doing preparation at all. इसलिए from the start of May, once you are done with 60 to 65% of syllabus, you need to start writing 3 mock tests every single week. किसी वीक में आप 4 भी दे सकते हो if you want to practice more. The goal is really simple. Before the BitSat second attempt, you have around 20 days का time left. You have around 3 weeks का time left basically. 3 weeks में आपको every single week में 3 to 4 mock tests देने हैं so that you are able to give at least 10 more mocks. I know so many students जिनका initial score 210 marks पे था but they have scaled to 300 plus marks just by writing one mock test every single day. So you can even consider doing that if your syllabus is more complete and if you want to focus on mock test analysis. अब May की first week से mock test देने बोल रहा हूँ, this doesn't mean कि syllabus coverage and revision stops. Everything must go hand in hand. You need to manage everything as a student. You have to write the mock test. You have to analyze the mock test. You also have to revise what you've already studied. Plus, complete थोड़ा करके syllabus every single day. Instead of revising for 1.5 hours every day, that number can reduce to 45 minutes every day. You can reduce the number of direct studying, but it should happen every single day to not lose touch. Alternate day पे mocks देना start कर सकते हो and eventually as you are done with more syllabus, try to write mocks almost every single day. काफ़ी सारे बच्चे ये भी पूछते हैं कि mock test देने की strategy क्या है भैया? So we have made a detailed video about it. I'll give the link in the description. But on the surface level, you have to understand कि यार you want to get the most out of the mock test so that you do not panic on the exam day. जितने ज़्यादा आप permutations and combinations use करोगे उतना आपका अच्छा होगा. Try writing chemistry section first कभी कभी, sometimes write the English section first, कभी math section से start करो, अलग अलग permutations use करो and see कि which is the best one for you. थोड़े बच्चे कभी कभी ऐसा बोलते हैं कि chemistry पहला करने से उनको फ़ायदा होता है, sometimes students से कि English से फ़ायदा होता है. So figure out what's the best one for you and what is the best paper attempting strategy for you. ये आपको तभी पता चलेगा जब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा mock test दोगे. अब ऐसा करते करते when you reach the last week of your BITSAT second attempt, at that point of time you will be almost at your highest potential for BITSAT 2026. If you do the self-analysis, if you complete 60% syllabus by the end of April, and if you keep doing syllabus, keep doing revision, plus you also write mock tests अच्छे से from the start of May, then nothing can stop you from cracking BITSAT in 2026. I know कि आपके बहुत सारे अलग exams हैं. You will have MHT CET, you will have UGEE, you will have COMEDK, but if your main goal is BITSAT 2026, then you need to understand that that has to be at the top of your priority. And बाकी सारे exams को आप देते रहना जैसे exam आते जाते हैं, but focus BITSAT पे ही होना चाहिए. Anyways, April as a month is pretty hectic. You have Manipal, VID EEE, MHT CET and other private exams. But May will be slightly on the lower load side. So आप May को अच्छे से utilize करना और वहाँ पे mock test analysis और syllabus completion कर लेना. What I want you to do right after watching this video, as I mentioned previously, go to the BITSAT tracker and do the self-analysis. We did this same thing in the Fodu Club's crash course as well, and I received over 150 emails where students shared their progress and they shared their strategy. If you want, you can also email us your strategy on these email IDs. I want you to do the same thing. Complete your self-analysis and comment on this video once you are done with it. And tell me कि आप April end तक कितना percentage syllabus target कर रहे हो. If you focus on execution after watching this video, then nothing can stop you from joining BITS Pilani this year. I will be more than happy to meet you in any campus of BITS Pilani this year whenever I'm going to meet students. So I'll definitely see you on campus. If you want all of these things in one place to reduce the time and effort that you have to put, if you want lectures, mock tests, practice like chapter tests, DPPs, English LR का course, as well as problem solving sessions in one place, then आप Fodu Club का ultimate BITSAT crash course check out कर सकते हो. I'll give the link in the description. It's the most sought after product in the market. 3,000 plus students have joined BITS Pilani using Fodu Club, and we are really proud of how they have performed in their exam. Lastly, English and logical reasoning is really important, as I mentioned, and अगर आप एक average student हो तो it can be a really good weapon for you. Click over here on this video if you want to get the best strategy for English and logical reasoning to score the maximum number of marks. That is pretty much it from my side. I want to see you at BITS Pilani this year. So focus on execution and comment down below जो भी मैंने बोला है. साथ में फोड़ेंगे.